Hey, I'm Marty from Everyday Jewish Mom, and today I built a Mitzvahland Sukkah. While I'm building a sukkah, we're going to talk about Sukkot. I did not grow up celebrating Sukkot. I was aware of it, but it wasn't a big part of our life. And when I had kids, I was like, we need to do this thing. This is a really fun holiday. So if you're thinking of getting a sukkah this year, I would fully recommend this one. It pops into place like a pop-up tent. Here I am putting the corners together. You just kind of, bop them into place. It's also expandable. I'm going to build the smallest size here just so you can see it easiest. It's 5.5 feet by 5.5 feet, but it goes all the way up to 10 by 10 with the same sukkah. Okay, so now let's talk about Sukkot. Sukkot is our harvest holiday. It's one of the 4 holidays that happens in the fall: Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur, Sukkot, and then Simchat Torah. It's an 8-day holiday, the original 8-day holiday, and we celebrate by eating our meals inside the sukkah. The sukkah itself needs to be temporary. It needs to be something you can set up and take down within a couple days of the holiday. That temporary nature of Sukkot is one of the things that I hold most dear about the holiday. My neighbors always see me put it up and say, "Why don't you leave it longer? It's so cool." But having it only there for a short amount of time is really part of what makes it so special. I also love that my kids get so excited to show it to their friends. It's something about our religion and our tradition that it's just so cool and so easy to share because they can come over for a meal or just come over to check it out. The roof of a sukkah is really what makes a sukkah a sukkah. The rules are that it needs to be made out of natural materials, and this kit actually comes with these bamboo rods that I'm installing here so that then you can put branches on top of it or bamboo mats and you already have the structure all set. The roof of your sukkah cannot be solid. The tradition is that when you're inside your sukkah at night, you need to be able to see the stars through the roof. And because the Jewish holidays go by a lunar calendar, it will also always be a full moon during Sukkot. I did not finish installing a proper roof in this video, partially because I'm putting it up in the middle of summer so that we could talk about this sukkah and you can order one if you need one. But Mitzvahland is actually open all year round, so you can order your sukkah any time of year. This is the wrap that goes all the way around the sukkah. You saw I peeked through a couple windows there. And the way that they've designed it, you can unzip panels of it to make it fit whatever size sukkah you've decided on. And then the wrap itself gets attached with Velcro. We are supposed to beautify all of our holy spaces, and Mitzvahland sends a couple decorations along with their sukkah kit. But we also, every year, make some of our own, and I have some stored away from previous years to just help the sukkah be so extra special. Now that we have got it all built, we'll put our table and chairs in here. We'll hang some nice little twinkly lights inside and invite over some friends. Thanks for swinging by.